I have a bunch of S24 Ultra covers and accessories that I'm going through and just introducing you to. I know a lot of people want to know what they should be getting with the S24 Ultra and which is the best for you. So make sure that you go check that out. I've done a couple of videos so far, but in this video, we're going to be having a look at the Shield case. This is like, I guess it's like their military grade drop one. I actually don't know if it is military grade, but it is like way more protective than the other cases. What I really do like about this, that it is also 20% bio-based content. So it's a lot better for the environment. When the product is attached to your mobile device, the wireless power sharing feature and wireless charging may not work properly. It is recommended to remove the product before using these features. Fair enough. I got you. They were more worried about the safety of your phone than the ability to wirelessly charge with this on. I think it's because it's got more grips on the back or whatever the case is. If you find this video helpful, one of the ways that you can help me on this channel is by going through the affiliate links in the description and, you know, picking it up. It's no cost to you and it does help me out. And yeah, I'm excited. This is gray. I thought this was white based by the color of the cover. Look at, is it one of those like visual tricks that you can't see? No, it is the right color on the print. Sure. Okay. Well, that threw me off a little bit. Shield case for Galaxy S24 Ultra, 20% bio-based content. So it's got these rims on the side that are more durable. One thing that's really interesting, I don't know if you can actually see this on camera, is that there is like a translucent rim on the inside here, and then the buttons and the actual pads and this back section here that you drop is this gray color. And I think it's actually going to look really nice with this gray S24 Ultra that I got. This wasn't the color that I wanted. Said it in another video. I did want the yellow one, but they didn't have stock. Ooh, very nice. One thing that this phone does that the silicone covers don't do and the vegan leather one doesn't do is that it's got the rim all the way around the side. The vegan leather covers and the silicone covers only have the top and the bottom. And because this seems to be it could be my imagination, but it seems to have more of the lip covered, so you don't actually see the gray coming through. And that's what it looks like at the bottom. It feels very sturdy. Yeah, this is a phone. Oh, I'm denting this thing every time I drop my phone on something. Yeah, it's a very sturdy, but it actually is not that heavy. I actually thought this would be a lot heavier, but it's not heavy at all. Let's just check the S Pen. Comes out really easily. Again, one of the benefits of having first party covers. Everything is perfectly situated. See the clicky buttons. Might be my imagination, but they're not as clicky as the vegan leather. No, they're not as clicky, but it's definitely clicky. And then on the cameras on the back, they're not protruding. It's really nice. The cover is just going over the top, so you know that if you slide this into a bag, it's going to be protected. And then I think there'll be added protection if you add this to your bag where you've got like books or whatever that's over the back over here. It will prevent anything scratching it. And again, you can lie that down on a table. It's not going to scratch. And you can also lie this down flat face and it's not going to scratch. It's a very nice color. I'm quite impressed. It feels like a toy, like a very expensive toy, or like something from DJI, like this really nice, expensive piece of gear. This is the only color that we've got. It does come in a bunch of other colors, but I do like this color a lot. It's probably would be my favorite color. I do like lighter covers for the phone. Yeah, very nice. Well done, Samsung. This is a very cool cover. I don't like rugged cases normally. They're like too big and bulky, but this one is done so well that it just feels so flush with everything. Not a mad fan of this back, but I mean, if it saves your phone from getting scratched, I mean, I guess whatever. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, make sure that you check out the links in the description. They help me out. And let me know, is this like a case for you? I'm not going to do a drop test. I'm sorry for everybody that's going to be asking in the comments. This is my phone, but there are other people like Cherry Rigs Everything and those guys who are happy to break a phone for you. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do that. But let's take this off quick. Let's just want to see 1 second. It is very hard to take off. Oh no, it's actually not. You know why it's not so hard to take off is because there's a lot more grip on the sides to move. There's like, it's not a thin cover. Let me know what you think of the Shield case. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.